Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the introduction from Oscar. So once again, warmly welcome to the sub-forum of industry session. So today the topic I'm going to share is digital adventure in China. So actually, we all know that China has a big market of retail that have over 1.4 billion consumers here. So this whole marketplace is full of new challenges and the business opportunities every day. But we all know this big marketplace is also bonded with a lot of new requirement changes and new rapid changes day by day. So all the enterprises in this marketplace try to survive or try to explore new business are seeking some new ways which are adapted and localized here in China to achieve the better business goal and the operation ways and to get the final agilities of the organization. So this is what we call the China for China strategy. So here this picture actually shows some new business values that are brought about by the digitalizations. So actually, based on our experience, there are two ways or two directions we have to drive for that to get this digital journey successfully. So the first one, that is from the external perspective, that how we can provide and to drive the digitalization for our customers. For example, we build up our e-commerce platform, we do the customer insight, and we do the omni-channel. And finalize, we provide the better product, the services, and the lower price to our customer. Then around our customer, we have 360 degrees insight into everything happened in our customer side. And on the other side, also from the internal perspective, we have some measures like the supply chain in smart way and in the AI intelligence about the manufacturing, about the organization agilities, and as well as the key changes of the decision making about the strategies. And those kind of the whole set of from both internal and external toolkit that we think drive from three ways. That is the first one, that is the step we do the enablement for the digitalization of the business itself. For example, we build some business applications in a smart way. And the second part, that is we do the digitalization to try to bring some new values to the current business and to drive it forward. And the final stage that we find some new business models can be created from out of the original part, then we create the new business scenario and bring some innovations afterwards. So this is how we can do it step by step. So here I'm going to show you one business case that we did for one of our customers successfully, that is who is a giant in the retail industry, specifically in the beverage industry. So actually you can see from this picture from left to hand that on the first step, he just make all the business online. So build the applications like the e-commerce platform, like the offline to online applications, as well as the omni-channel management. So all these kind of the business applications that is drive to the direct to customers, direct to consumers, that we can do the best service and the operation afterwards. And then, moreover, we, in terms of the data intelligence platform and AI algorithm modeling, that we give the organization a digital thinking capabilities. So that will drive all the business that in more smart way, in data intelligence way. This will give the organization a flexible orchestration and the collaboration capabilities. And the final step that we do for this customer, that is to give this enterprises a package of the business capability to build up the application from end to end with a shrink time frame from the traditional, over 1 year or 2 years to build up an ERP-wise application to the 3 months. So that make like a application from 0 to 1, then shrink to the 0.5 to 1. So that save us a lot of time and the effort. Here is one typical scenario case I'm going to share that about the offline business that we do, the vending machine sales. So based on the location-based services and the label search, that we can place all the vending machines in the different area or different sites that to support all the marketing fails, all the sales investment that can be really reflected in your financial reports. And on the other side, based on the Alibaba AIPR methodology, that is acquisition, interest, purchase, loyalty, the full cycle around your consumers, that we can equip with this intelligence that to provide the full cycle of the customer operation perspective. So this is how they can survive from the 3 years of the epidemic, and from the full cycle, from the touch point to the operative analysis, advertising investment, and the final activity operations. And another case is that from the internal perspective, I've already discussed that about the AI and the algorithm modeling, that how we enable the accurate contracting with the different dealers, and how we do the supply chain in more intelligent ways that internally to drive the business forward. So we have several questions that we should care about. That is how we signed the contract with a different dealer. What kind of dealer should be picked up? And how we can fulfill these dealers to make sure their stock is never happened with a stock out situation. So here that AI modeling that we can see from this picture that containing all the data factors, all the business rules, and with the winning factors, and we help them to improve the agreement and the contract with the dealers. So this is how we can achieve the sales forecasting and automatic replenishment, and to provide end-to-end support to our dealers and our consumers. Okay, so the last page, I'm going to ramp up all the things that we provide to our enterprises, customers. That is, based on our experience, that we believe that for the industrial digitalization, there could be some best practice of the layout or the solution architectures we should notice here. That we is not only just the data intelligence, cloud computing, or the digital practice we've already mentioned quite a lot, but also we have a strong and a joint ecosystem with our partners and the other competitors. So this is make our whole solution layout from the top down, that we have a whole set of the digital thinking enablement to make our customer more successfully. So that's from my side today. Thank you very much.